If you share PDFs regularly, you should always hide personal or sensitive information. Today I will show you how to black out, white out, or cover anything in a PDF using the free Systweak PDF Editor tool, and it's super easy. First, download and install Systweak PDF Editor using the link given in the description below. It's a completely safe offline PDF tool, and that's why we will be using it in this video. Open Systweak PDF Editor and go to the Secure tab. Here tap Mark Redaction. You will see two options, Whiteout and Mark Region. Whiteout covers the selected area with white. Mark Region lets you block content using any color you want. Let's start with Whiteout. Tap Whiteout. Now select the text or area you want to hide. Then tap Apply Reduction and confirm with OK. The content will be covered and no longer visible. Now let's check out Mark Region. Tap Mark Reduction again and choose Mark Region. Click on OK. Now pick any color you want and select the area you want to hide. Tap Apply Reduction, confirm with OK, and the selected content will be covered in your chosen color. You can also redact specific words automatically. Tap on Search and Redact. Type the word or phrase you want to hide. Choose a color, then click Apply All Marks and confirm with OK. All matching text will be marked instantly. Save your PDF and your sensitive information stays protected. So that was it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Also, comment below if you face any issue while following the steps out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.